Hello, I'm Sarah Cordiner, a certified Thinkific expert, and this video is all about how to design the theme and the branding of your Thinkific site. So this means what is the overall branding, the overall colours and style of your whole Thinkific site. To get to this section, you're going to go to your main dashboard, click on Design Your Site, and first thing you want to do is select your theme. So we're going to go to the theme library. Now the theme is basically the overall structure and style of your site. Now you can see here there are a number of different themes in here. You can click on Explore Themes, and you should only really do this once. So I recommend once you've selected a theme, please stick with it. I have seen people who have changed themes and sometimes it distorts some of the content on your landing pages and things like that because the layout is different. So just a recommendation from experience there, pick one and stick with it. Now, so these will allow you to basically, for instance, have a little look at this, click View Details, and it will show you what the theme looks like. Now remember, you can change the colors and you can change the font and you can change the pictures and everything like that, but it shows you kind of the general layout that you will get on your site. So if you're happy with that and that's one you like, press install. I'm not going to do that, but once you've done that, pick it, press install, and that will set the theme for your site. Please try and refrain from ever changing it again so that you don't have any distorted landing pages or things that have moved out of place that you'll have to fix. Once you've done that, then you're going to select your site branding. So go to Design Your Site and click on Site Builder. And this will first of all take you to all of the main default pages on your site here. So you'll see you've got your home page. Your home page is like the home page of a website. It's the first page that people will land on your Thinkific site. So usually this would have a main banner image at the top, the name of your school or your academy, and then it will have a list of all of the courses that you have published. Now, by the way, just a little tip, if you only have one course published, by default, it will take people to the landing page of that course rather than to your home page. As soon as you have more than one course published, you will have the home page as the default landing page. So when you click on home page, that will take you to the page building area for your home page. If you click on the courses area, it will take you to the landing page builder of each course. Bundles is the landing pages of if you create, bundle different courses together. Let's say you want to do a special offer where you put 3 courses in one, people can buy 3 courses all at the same time. You'll have a landing page to say, hey, come and buy this special package. Here are all these 3 courses that are included. So you see here, these are where you can make all these different pages. Custom pages is kind of any page you want to create, just like you would on a website. It could be a contact page, it could be a blog page, it could be absolutely any kind of information page that you want to create. But what we're going to do here is we're actually doing branding at the moment, so we're going to just leave those pages for a second and we're going to go to theme settings. Now, because we are in the site builder, everything we do here will affect everything across the whole site. So theme settings, we have options to change the style. Now, this simply is kind of like a layout, a design, and you can just press apply and you'll see exactly what happens here to the way this is laid out. You see there, that's changed. Click on that, it will change it again. This is cool because this preview area shows you what it looks like as you change it. Or I can go try that one and just see which one you prefer, right? It's as simple as that, it's personal choice. Pick whichever one it is that you like. I'm going to leave that as it is, I don't care. Then you can change your colors, the overall branding of your site. So your header and footer, you've got your background color, you've got your link colors, and I've just gone and changed everything on my whole site now, but never mind. And you've got, basically you can change all of your colors for all of your buttons and everything else that you have over here. I can't remember what style I was using. I don't know. Let's see which one I was on. It wasn't that one. I don't think it was that one either. I think it might have been Jet. No, I don't know. Who knows? I've just gone and changed all my colours. Never mind, I don't care. The cool thing about this is if you make any mistakes, it doesn't matter. So for instance, just to show you an example up here, oh, that's the link. If I go to the background colour, I can go on to my little dropper. I'm just going to find my brand colour I've got preset, which is a midnight blue. And I can just paste this in here. Paste, oops. Background, where are we? Back to background and paste it in. It's not letting me paste it in for some reason. There we go, it is now. And you'll see that changes. There we go. Then we've got clickable links. I might want to change that to, I don't know, let's change it to white and see what happens. Might be up here that this does things. Okay, so that's changed that bit to white. So you can see here how cool it is to just change things around however you like. Page background you can see is white, little boxes here are this kind of light grey colour. You can change those to whatever I want them to be. Let's pretend I wanted them to be the same as that blue colour. Let me just show you what happens. You can really experiment with this, guys. You don't break anything at all. You can see like, oh no, we don't, do we like that? Do we not like that? You can see I can't read the writing, so I have to change the text, right? So I changed the text to white in this particular instance, but I'm just showing you how it works. So for this case, I'm just gonna go to a grey, make it a bit lighter, and you'll see there, that's what changes. All right, so have a little play. If I want my buttons, you know, I might want my buttons to be a nice red colour, and I've got a specific red for my branding, so I'm going to find that red, and I'm going to make nice red buttons. So you see, like, even when it all changed, it's not hard to change everything back again. It's nice and easy. Oh, I didn't save again. I say nice and easy, and I'm not getting there today. Did that work? Nope. Are we working? Did I pick the right one? I think I did. There we go. If the hex code doesn't work, we can get the blue, red, yellow, green colours. Something's going on here, isn't it? All right, let's just leave that with the preset red for now. So that's the outside background colour of the primary button. Let's go solid. Oh, so we can go outline, or we can change it to solid. That's what was happening. Look, boom, that's better, isn't it? See, have a little play, see what happens. I've been doing this a long time, and it still keeps changing. It changes all the time. It's about the 4th time I've had to update this video in as many months. All right, I'm going to press save, because, you know, that's fine. That works for me. No problem. So that's our overall theme settings. Now a couple of other general settings that go across your whole entire site. I'm going to just come out of this site builder here. In fact, let me just go back to Site Builder. Apologies, because I do want to show you a couple of other things that we had in there. So I'm going to go back to Site Builder, Theme Settings. That was our colours. We also have font, so we can choose the font size, the font weight. We can change the headings that we have in there, and favicon. These favicons basically are these little icons that you have on top of the tabs. So it might be your face, it might be your business logo, but it's going to be one of these tiny little logos that you're going to add in there. So just press upload to whatever you want your little icon to be, and that's your main theme settings. There's a couple of other little sort of generic settings that we're going to go and look at, and you will find those underneath your main settings. So go back to your dashboard, click on settings, and in there we're going to go and sort out our course player. Now our course player, and I'll see if I've got one open. I do. Let me bring it over for you. The course player is the part of your course, the screen of your course that your students see when they're doing your courses. So if you see here, I've got a red banner, that's my red branding. I've got my little button, my Sarah Cordiner signature button logo in the middle there. This is what your students see when they are inside your courses. So for example, let me click on a video here, and the video pops up, as you can see. Boom, there we go. So this is a light background with dark text, and I've put some colors and a logo in there. So I'll show you where you edit that. If you go into your Thinkific account here, go to your main settings, click on learning content, and you will see here you get to choose whether you want it to be a light theme or a dark theme. I was on light theme because it was that kind of light grey background with the dark text. If I click dark theme, it will be a black background with white text. So you can just change that around as many times as you want, see if you like it, and if you don't, you can just change it back again. This course player style, this is that red colour that I had on the banner along the top there. Now I could change this if I wanted to. If I want to go and change that to my dark blue, I could just grab the blue and pop it in there, paste, all right, press save, and I'll show you what difference that will make. You see it's red at the moment. I'll refresh that and give it a second. Now we have it as dark blue. There we go. Okay, so you can see what that impacts when you go in and have a little play. There is the logo that I uploaded there. You can choose your languages and your sort of text content in there as well. So that's it. That is the kind of main areas that I would go and work on when it comes to your overall site branding, your overall colors, your overall font sizes, and course player style for your students. So there you go. Go and follow this video now and go and set up your main site branding. Good luck. And if you want any help, I also have done for you services. So if you just can't be bothered to do all this yourself, I do actually provide you with Thinkific setup services. I can set up your whole site for you, all of your site branding, upload your course content for you. I can create your landing page for you and make sure everything's working perfectly, connected to your email marketing software so that you don't have to. You can focus on your content. If you would like to get a quote, go to sarahcordiner.com/services, and I would be very happy to send you a free quote with the different service options that we have. Bye for now.